What's up, you bad berries, and welcome back to an episode on the channel. Now, you might be wondering what this is in front of me, and today we're doing, as you probably saw in the title, a easy, simple Japanese tower build, obviously ready for adaptation, whatever you want. Now, the first thing I did here, because I accidentally paused my recording, stopped it, was I built these spruce logs, pillars, up 11 blocks, so 3 stories, 4 for the first, 4 for the second, and 3 for the third blocks. And I put them an odd number of blocks apart, which for me is 3. I would recommend really only doing 3 to 5 if you want to keep with this exact design, but obviously if you're going to make it a little bit bigger, that's completely up to you. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to actually start doing your design, I guess, in a way. You're going to want to fill in this middle section here with smooth quartz. Smooth quartz is great for Japanese, medieval, and modern design, and you want to fill in the entire, like this, the middle in between both of these blocks. So I recommend doing that, like so, on every single side. And obviously, you don't need to see that. Alright, so you might be thinking that this doesn't look very good right now, but it's actually because we can get rid of most of this smooth quartz. Now you might be thinking, why would you just make me do that? Well, at least this is how I build. I like to do things step by step. It really helps my brain out. So we're going to start by now putting in the fences here. And this is going to help us know our layers a little bit. I did not mean to break that block, but it will actually be broken later on. So we're going to put the fences here, and then we're going to go up 1. Alright, so as you can see, we go up 1, 1, 2, up 1, 1, right, like this in a way. So we go up 2, place it like this, like so. It's pretty simple and self-explanatory. So you're just going to skip 2 quartz blocks there, and this one I'm actually not going to place fences. Now you can place fences if you want to keep that design, but I'm going to place trap doors because, you know, I want to change up the design a little bit more and not keep the same thing. It also helps create a little bit of a pattern. And again, we missed the 1, 2, but for this one, we are only going to actually put 1 fence here, like so. Again, just mixing up the pattern a little bit so you have this look. Alright. Next thing you want to do is I'm going to fill these all on our sides, but not right now. You want to put these quartz stairs, which are really nice as they clash with the build, on the top and bottom, so the flat side connects with that. And you're going to do the same for every single one, like this. And this is just something you can do, and you're going to do that for, again, every single one here. And then you mirror that to the other side. And I don't need to show you that, so I'm going to skip ahead and do all of that on my own. Alright, so as you can see, I did this on every single side. And now let's get right into the next part, which is placing these. Alright, so you're going to want to go up the 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th one, you're going to want to place a spruce slab. And then you're just going to follow this basic tiered design. And then you're going to again go from 1, 2, 3 and place it here. So basically you go 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th one you place it 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th one you place it again, and do the same exact design once more up top, just like this. This simple little what is this? Staggered stepped design, and you're just going to repeat it around the build like this, connecting all the way in, and let me just connect this one, and then I will skip, or not show you the next part as I fill it all in right now. So it's that simple, actually, little tier design: 1, 2, up 1, down 1, 1, 2. Very simple, very clean. Alright, so I built this off camera. I felt like it would take a little bit long on camera, But as you can see, all I did is a few slabs for the first part of the roof. So I did slab, block, slab, actually this is 2 slabs, but slab, block, slab, stair, block, stair, stair on top. Same thing repeated over here, except with the blocks like the middle point. And I did this one away from the build like so, and I will be filling in the middle part. And now I'm going to repeat the same exact design to the other side. Alright, again, not to waste your time, I did do this also, but it's really simple and explanatory. And let me just quickly set it today so it's easier to see. Alright, so you have a very basic design, and this isn't really supposed to be here, but I guess I can put these and make it easier later on. But basically, you do slab on the outside right here in the middle, then stair, stair, block, and then you do the same thing on this side, slab, stair, stair, leading to the middle block. Then you do slab, slab on the lower half of the block, slab, slab, block, stair like this, and then stair on top. And you do the same thing on the other side. Simple and easy. Now this part I am not going to do ahead of time because it is a little bit more complicated. You're going to want to place a stair here, a stair here, and a stair there. You want this kind of curved little couch look here, because it actually looks pretty nice. Then you're going to want to put this right here, 2 slabs or just a block. I'm not sure if there can be blocks, but I just put slabs. And then you're going to want this, this, this. Again, kind of getting that modern sofa look right here. And then over here, you're going to want to put a double slab like this. Or you could put something like this. That's up to you. I personally like either. This one I feel like looks really nice, but I also think this looks nice too, because it kind of does also cut the edge a little bit there. So I'm going to personally keep it in a stair, like I'm going to personally not keep it, I'm going to personally keep it like this, because it also allows this to stay as is. But it's up to personal preference on that one. Then I'm going to do the same exact thing over here. It's so quick, I don't need to pause. Unless this works, please say this works, because I know you do. Yeah, also if you're placing these, don't place it on the side. Place it in the front position like that. Then place these 3, they sort of automatically align the slabs or block, I'm not sure how it works. And then voila, you are finished. That is the design. Well, not really, but that is basically the design. And then if you want to implement a doorway, which I would definitely recommend, all you do is you clear out one of the sections like this, grab yourself, and I would recommend a spruce door as always. Place your spruce door like this, and then form stairs around it, like so. At least this is what I would do. And then I'm just going to put this and this here, kind of put a baseline, then do my personal way of doing a lot of doorways, like so. And voila, you are finished. And that's just a basic little doorway you can do if you want to. And you're done. That is the entire design. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave a like and or subscribe if you want to see more. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Peace.